in my creative lady voice. What's up, my waxy homies? This is Alethea, and I'm coming in at you with another video. And y'all, let me tell y'all, this is a haul video from some items I got from the Crayon case for the Cyber Monday sale. I think it was Cyber Monday. Yes, Cyber Monday. And my plan was to haul everything that I bought Black Friday and Cyber Monday together. But when I tell y'all, I just want to talk about these things by themselves. It's my first time shopping from the Crayon case. So my box is here and it came today. I'm just going to get into this and show y'all what I got. So when I open up the box, here's what it looks like on the inside. And it just has the Crayon case there. The first thing I got are these two brushes. All right. And so I've seen these before. The first time I saw them, I think the creative lady hauled them. And I saw these brushes. And here they are. Look at that. And this brush, the handle, is so lightweight. I mean, ooh, baby, I just know my powder is going to go on awesome with these brushes. I'm almost a little bit mad at myself because there were a couple of other items that I wanted to get, but because of the fact that I was trying to be mindful of my budget and spending and getting things that I wanted from a couple of different places and knowing what I have coming up in the near future, I had to be mindful of my budget, but I promise you, there were some other things that I wanted. So I also got, though, because I have a plethora of brushes. I have absolutely too many brushes. So I'm trying to get my brushes narrowed down to the types of brushes that I use on a regular basis. So I also got the Crayon Case ink pens eyeshadow brush set. It just has 4 brushes in there, of course, for your eyes because it's an eyeshadow brush set. And it has one of these, what is this one? Blender like crease brush. And this brush right here, I didn't particularly care for it, but it was a good deal. So I went ahead and bought the set. And then of course this one, you know, for of course carving out your eyebrows. But this one I think is kind of like a concealer brush. I'll make use of it like when I put concealer on my eye. And then this one right here is another like fluffy type of possibly crease brush, you know, to get up in your crease and do some definition or defining. Okay, so I did get 2 eyeshadow palettes. And the first eyeshadow palette that I did purchase is the Watch Me Blush eyeshadow palette. All right, so when I opened this palette up, y'all, I was just like, oh my goodness, look at it. It has a mirror on it, but I turned the mirror around, you know, but there's the mirror. Oh, but here are the colors, and we have cobbler, tangerine, cranberry, berries, hot cocoa, sweet tea, cappuccino, old banana, strawberry cream, and outsider. Now, on the website, I did not look at these colors, so I did not know they were all like drinks or food colors. But look at there. There's, what's that, cranberry? Let's see, strawberry cream. Great pigmentation. Let's see what cappuccino looks like. Oh my goodness. I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and swatch all of these, but I definitely could. This is so pretty. I cannot wait to use this palette. Now, I think the palette that I had in my cart was the matte palette, and then I took that palette out, and I hate I did. So this one I have right here is the Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette, and I have been wanting this one for a while, but I'm finally getting it, and I'm so excited to have it in my collection. And let me tell y'all, I follow Super Scent on Instagram and I follow her on Facebook. But when she started the Crayon case, I did not realize at first it was the same person. But what made me realize the same person from who I saw on Facebook with the little commentary, jokes and stuff like that. When I realized she was the same person, it was because of her accent. Because I told you all when I did the video about her and her having her surgery, her tummy tuck, I said something about me liking her accent. I love people's accents that are from New Orleans. But anyway, so I have been kind of like following her, and I mean, when I tell you all, one of these days, hopefully I'll make it big and do something. But when I tell you that, and following her on Instagram and stuff, and seeing that she was once a server and all that kind of stuff, I am big ups. I'm so proud of her. She doesn't know me. I don't know her. I probably never meet her, but when I tell y'all I am so proud of this woman for what she has done, I tell you no lie. Now, when I open this up and I put everything back in the box, I put everything back in the box as if I'm just not opening it, but I opened it up downstairs. Now, there's the big old mirror. really, really big mirror. Can we just have a moment of silence for this beauty? So we have blue, green, red, yellow, black, brown, tan, pink, purple, baby blue, violet, orange, magenta, white, silver, gold, deep plum, and lime green. And I love the way the colors are just like some crayons, which makes perfect sense. So let's look and see what the silver one looks like. That almost kind of reminds me of like a purple. And let's see what white looks like. Let's try this other hand. Oh, that's pretty too. These colors that I'm just dipping my finger in are super buttery and creamy. Oh, look at the orange. I'm just taken aback. And here's the tan. Tan is a matte. So this one is a combination of mattes and shimmers. It looks like it's a combination of matte, shimmers, and even look like a little satin here. The baby blue tickles my fancy as well. Baby! Okay, so like I said, I messed around and I missed ordering before, and I'm so glad I got this because if I'm not mistaken, when I went onto the website, or no, she posted on Instagram that some things were going away, and I do think that this box of crayons eyeshadow palette was one of the things that is going away. So when I tell y'all, I am so happy that I went ahead and got this palette. Let me see what the lime green looks like. I want to see what the lime green looks like. The lime green is a matte. So yeah, like I said, I am so happy that I went ahead and I did purchase from the sale. And she surpassed her sale from last year with a sale this year. So that is always exciting, always happy for something like that to happen. So yeah, that is it though for this video. I mean, like, Merry Christmas to me, baby. Merry Christmas to me. So anyway, do y'all like my turtle? I think I showed y'all my turtle. This is what Babe picked out for me when we went to the Barbados. My turtle is so pretty. Yeah, I love my turtle. So anyway, yeah, I'm gone. I know I said I'm gone, but I'm still talking. So anyway, thank you so much to the new subscribers. I really do appreciate you guys. Please go ahead and share my videos across all your social media sites. I mean, I know a lot of y'all come here for the lock videos, and I appreciate that. But please stay around for the other videos, as well as, like I said, leave a comment below. Go ahead and like the video, and turn on those bell notifications, baby, so you will be notified every time I come this way with my shenanigans. So in the meantime and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye.